I'm Ashley Griffin with the Extension Foundation. We're going to take a look at an Extension Foundation publication and how to use it. Upon your first entry into all publications, you may be asked to share your email, name, and affiliation, company or institution. You'll also be able to access the Extension Foundation Terms of Use. We're going to go ahead and submit and jump right into one of our new eField books. You'll notice that on the left sidebar there's a table of contents. This contents allows you to reveal all the sections of a publication, and upon clicking on them goes straight to that particular section. You can hide the table of contents by clicking the X at the top of the screen, and reveal that table of contents by going to the bottom menu and clicking on the first icon, Table of Contents. Within a publication, you'll be able to see media that will help your publication come to life. Here you see several videos with an arrow indicating play. If you click that arrow, the video will play right within the publication. And you'll be able to expand that video out full screen, especially if you're on a mobile device such as a phone or tablet. There are also other features that help you expand diagrams that will allow them to be more easily seen. Here is an example. Another way to zoom into the document is to use the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. When clicking this, it will automatically zoom in, but you have the control to zoom it a little bit more or a little bit less. And once there, you can use your trackpad or mouse to navigate the pages that you're viewing. I'm going to zoom back out to where we started by clicking the magnifying glass again. To sequentially go through any of these EPUBs, you'll just use the arrows on the right or the left. So that's very easy to navigate both forwards and backwards. You notice when I'm doing this that there's a sound. If you'd like to turn the sound off, you look down to the menu options and to the volume, and you're able to mute the sound. Now when I toggle from page to page, you no longer hear the page turning. I kind of like it, so I'm going to turn it back on. Another way to know where you're at within the document is to look at the top. You not only have the name of the eField book in this case, but you also show the series of pages that you're viewing, and out of the total number, in this case, is 120. Additional features in the menu options below the publication itself are things like thumbnails. So when I click on the second menu icon, you notice that the left sidebar changes. And here you have the ability to scroll through and see different images, different sections within the book. This can be extremely handy if you remember that I really wanted to see and view a certain image, but I don't recall where within the publication it resided. This way you can quickly identify that. You also have the ability to add notes. You can do that in one of two ways. You can look to the bottom of the screen and click on the third menu icon, and that will reveal an ability to add notes. You also can do that over to the top right corner with the Add Note icon again. So when I click either one, you're going to notice that you can select the color that you want your note to appear in and begin to type your note. Once doing so, you can actually add that note anywhere on the page. You can see I move it from one page to the next. I can attach it to a specific paragraph. This works and will be associated with your specific EPUB or flipbook, as long as you always access it using the same browser. Just use the same browser each time and your notes will always be within your version of the EPUB. Another feature at the top right corner is search. So that opens a right sidebar that allows you to search things within the publication. So in this case I'm doing farm, which is a really general term, so you can see there's many search results for farm. but this will allow you to also be able to more easily navigate the publication. And you simply close it by hitting the X. Additional menu options at the bottom include sharing your publication. You can easily copy the link or the QR code or share it with popular social media channels. You also have the ability to print specific pages right from the Flipbook EPUB. You can also choose a custom range of pages. The download feature allows you to download the full document. This will retain all of the links and the ability to watch the media that's been embedded. You can also select specific pages like the two that we're viewing now. If you're interested in taking this document full screen, you'll notice that the last menu item is the full screen icon with 4 arrows in each corner. So that can also be a handy feature if you're watching it on a small device. We hope that this has been helpful, and we encourage you to take advantage of the value and the interactivity that our Extension Foundation publications have to offer. Thank you.